What's up? So how's everyone doing? How are things? By now someone should have won the copy of The Witcher 2 that I put up for grabs. And if nobody has won it, then shame on you. No, that's not. Uh, you know what I mean. Anyway, remember what we're doing today? Checking out that new area, all our new rings, extra souls, extra everything. Oh, we were supposed to go here first anyway. Okay. I still haven't finished the Knights area, but what the heck? Let's check this out anyway. I was also thinking lately about a face cam, but then I kind of realised that whenever I'm concentrating, I just pull this really monged out face and I'm just like, nobody wants to see that. Can I get past here, or is this just going to be me falling off the edge? Almost fell off then. Oh look, items and shit. Treasure chest over there. Okay, let's go this way first. I feel like this isn't the way I was supposed to go first, but what the hell. Oh, I fell down. Oh shit, these things are harsh. Wow. Oh. Just see how much you've got. A lot of health. Just you left? Okay. Okay. That wasn't the easiest thing to accomplish. If it wasn't for all those throwing knives, I would have died so fast. It would be nigh on unbelievable. That's where we climbed in through, isn't it? Okay. Let's open this door. Both of these say try jumping. I am not going to try jumping down there. I'm not an idiot. Oh, I forgot to check this chest to see whether it was... That's not an illusion. Neither is that. Or that. Neither of those are illusions. Let's see what this ring is. Okay. Ring. Okay, so I just have 2 of those. But this one's +1. Maybe I didn't have to kill that old merchant lady. Oh well, too late now. Oh yeah, I never recorded that, did I? I killed the old merchant lady because I was just like, I can't buy anything off of her anymore, so Why not?
What is it? I don't know you, and you don't know me.
Okay, but I want to know you.
You are an odd one. No, I'm called Lucati, from the land of Mira to the far east, across the mountains. They say Drang Lake brims with powerful souls, and so I came to claim my share. But what a strange place. Even the rumors did not prepare me.
I like
You
you.
are an odd one indeed. I've always made a point of avoiding people, while you've made a point of engaging me. I can see that you are mid-journey. If you require assistance, I will help you. I come from Mira, a land of knights. My sword is always ready. Don't hesitate to call upon me. Whatever happens, I won't be missed.
So I can...
You are an odd... Well, I come from... Don't hesitate to...
So...
I don't hesitate...
Okay. Ooh. Careful now, don't fall off. Can't tell you the amount of times I've fallen off of things like this. Even when I wasn't recording. Oh, item. Nah, nothing else to get up here. Yeah, I'm gonna get seriously damaged if I try that. Okay. See if we can beat this guy. Okay. That wasn't too bad. We got a little bit of damage taken, but that was mainly because I refused to dodge and wanted to just take it all out straight up. That's not an illusion! Ah. Why is there a summon sign here? Enemy horde ahead. Whoa. Thank you for the warning, friend. I'm going to continue on this way for now. Oh. Okay. It's easily done. Okay, dog things. Glad I didn't just hit it. Okay. Use this for some fast recovery, because I feel like something big's up soon. There's a lot of summon signs waiting around for me. Okay, I can't get him through there. That's locked. Oh, bonfire. That was probably dumb as heck. Okay.
Oh, why can't they all be this easy? Ooh, shape up. Oh, dear flame. I ought to fetch a new one. Flame. I ought to...
I feel like one of these is going to have like some sort of trap in it. So I'm just kind of slightly attacking the wall. I feel like I should also attack that old man, but... Torch? Of course I own a torch, I own plenty of torches. How do I light a torch again?
I ought to fetch... Flame. Enough with you.
Nope.
I ought to fetch... Flame.
I lit the torch.
Flame.
Okay. This is probably all going to be fast forwarded. I feel like he's important, so I don't want to kill him.
I ought to fetch... I ought to...
Give me the chest, old man. Alright, we'll come back here.
Let's what are we even?
I ought to.
Okay, let's travel away to level up and then come back in a bit when he stopped being such a douchebag. Actually, I might upgrade some items instead. I'm probably going to put this part in fast forward with some music, so I'm not going to talk through it. Okay, I didn't want to lose all my soul. Oh, this is the wrong place. Let's try the other place. Okay, this place now. Thank you, sir. Oh.
Wait, what's that? a lot, and it's not actually that heavy. But we're not going to use it. Now what you got, mate?
I ought to flay.
I want to read the message. I'm not going to beat him to a pulp. I feel like he's important. You can just walk straight through that. I'm guessing that's just something they forgot to solidify. Add physics to and whatnot.
Ah, where am I going? Oh! Forgot about you guys. I want to kill you. Ugh. Why do I have that shield in equipment? I use my bow. There we go. Wait, what? Why am I... Okay, so I haven't got enough to carry that bow. Sounds good. That was a little bit cheaty, but... Idiot. Okay, now let's try that other path that we haven't been down yet. This place gives me the creeps a little bit. Like, not in the, oh, I'm scared, but more in the, way.
And roll. Thanks for waiting for me to heal. That was really quite kind of you. No shit, broken. Ah, that's my best sword. Gonna have to get that fixed soon. Oh, human effigy, that's always useful. See what's through this door. Message drop ahead. Just in case someone opens it and just runs straight through. There's no way to say fall or... Okay, we'll just call it a hole. Yep, typically as I do that. Okay, we're at least fully healed, so... let's climb. Boss, already?
can't open that. I've only got shitty swords on me at the moment, so I'm not going to go through into the fog wall yet. Let's go back for a bit. What does this message say? Try a phantom. Alright. Go back, level up, fix my weapon. No, just fix my weapon. There'll be no need for leveling up because I won't have enough money.
Hopefully that horde hasn't returned. Am I going through this place backwards? I feel like I'm going through this place backwards. I'm sure you guys will tell me. Well, actually, you probably won't. You'll probably just be like, oh, let's just go through it backwards. Oh, shit! That's where that place was. Okay. Let's open up this fence. I'm seeing lots of summon signs, but I bet when we get back and I try to summon someone, all the summon signs will be gone. Repair my favourite weapon. Maybe upgrade a couple. It was hard to not randomly start singing like I normally do. Oops. Nice. That was rude. Okay, let's summon this guy. Oh, rude. Once we kill all of these guys, we're actually just going to wait to heal. Oh, we use a life gem actually. I feel like my Estus flask is more important. Come on, speed up. That'll do for now. Let's try and draw him towards the thing again. Come on. Lay yourself up again. Still nothing? Oh! Douchebag.
Ah, summon signs. Okay, we're summoning someone. Get ready to battle. You coming, mate? I tried to roll away, but it caught me just on the clip. I'm sorry, friend. Thank you for your help, though. And no summons. Fan dabby dozy. Okay. Let's try this on our own. Just once. Okay, 3 then roll. That didn't go very well. I'll see you next time. Bye.